Second waterfall of the night. Oh, I love the glowing part of the front entrance. Ooh, Not Scary Farm 50. Just celebrated Magic Kingdom 50.
We are at Not Scary Farm.
From the south up to the British Isles. Shake, 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 shake tonight. Girl, I wanna shake it with you. A perfect night and the feeling's right. Girl, I wanna shake it with you. Break, 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 don't break my heart.
We're here at Not Scary Farm, and I just subscribed to Pride Coaster Club, and you should too.
You fools entered inside the chilling chambers, the vaults of Scary Farm's past. You love them. I won't. Hurry up, Frankies. Dummies lose your way. Stay on the path. Watch all around. The next chamber leads to the
Yeah, no offense.
leads us straight to dear old Uncle Ernie, turning that famed frown upside down with his carnival of carnivorous clowns. Boston vampires! What
It's just so dark that you can't even see me, but you really even want to see me, or you already watched this video, you know that maze was incredibly awesome. So much cool like contributions from awesome mazes from the past. Seriously, saw so many cool things from so many of my favorite mazes from all the years that I've been going here. If you liked the video, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube.